Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's set to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography. With a rumored launch in November, DJI is gearing up to deliver a product packed with innovative features that cater to both hobbyists and professional photographers. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a complete overhaul designed to provide a top-tier experience. Let's explore what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro a true game-changer in the drone market. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is making waves even before its official release. As the newest addition to DJI's acclaimed Mini series, this drone promises to deliver exceptional performance and cutting-edge features. The Mini 5 Pro is crafted for a wide range of users, from beginners looking for a user-friendly experience to seasoned photographers seeking high-quality imaging and creative flexibility. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the Mini 5 Pro's advanced imaging system. At the core of this improvement is a brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant leap from the Mini 3 Pro's smaller sensor. This new sensor allows for higher resolution and improved dynamic range, ensuring that your images and videos are rich in detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. The increased sensor size not only improves resolution, but also boosts low-light performance. Whether you're shooting during the golden hour, at dusk, or in dim indoor settings, the Mini 5 Pro is equipped to handle various lighting conditions with ease. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to support 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS, allowing for smooth and professional quality footage. Another standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced AI tracking. DJI has refined its active track technology, allowing the drone to follow subjects with increased precision and stability. Whether you're tracking a fast-moving car, a cyclist navigating winding paths, or even wildlife in motion, the Mini 5 Pro's AI capabilities ensure that your subject remains in focus and perfectly framed. The Mini 5 Pro also boasts an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing multiple sensors and advanced algorithms, the drone can detect and navigate around obstacles more effectively, making it safer to fly in complex environments such as forests or urban areas. The combination of advanced stabilization and intelligent subject tracking makes the Mini 5 Pro an excellent tool for filmmakers and vloggers looking to produce professional-grade content. Additionally, the drone's enhanced battery is expected to provide up to 40 minutes off flight time, giving pilots more opportunities to capture stunning aerial views. The Mini 5 Pro's smart photo technology has been upgraded to version 3.0, offering improved scene recognition and automatic optimization of camera settings. As for pricing, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to fall in the $699 to $899 range, depending on the configuration and additional accessories. Thank you for watching.